Are you curious about the future of finance? It's a world buzzing with new ideas like artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. These aren't just buzzwords for tech experts anymore. They are powerful tools that are reshaping how we think about money, investing, and our own financial security. Understanding them is becoming essential, not just for investors but for everyone who wants to navigate the modern economy. This essay is your starting point, a clear and simple guide to this exciting new landscape. We will break down these complex topics into easy-to-understand pieces, showing you exactly how they connect and why it matters to you. Before we dive in, I want to invite you to join our community of forward thinkers. The world of digital finance moves incredibly fast, with new developments happening every single day. Staying informed is the key to making smart decisions. By subscribing to our newsletter, you'll get regular updates, deep dives, and expert analysis delivered straight to your inbox. We do the hard work of sifting through the noise to bring you the information that truly matters. Don't get left behind in the biggest financial revolution of our time. Take the first step to becoming more knowledgeable and confident in this new era. As a special thank you for joining us on this journey, we have a gift for you. When you subscribe today, you will receive a free digital copy of our exclusive ebook, Crypto for Beginners, your first 5 steps to digital assets. This guide is designed to help you start your journey safely and with confidence, covering the absolute essentials without any confusing jargon. It's the perfect companion to the topics we will discuss here. Gaining knowledge is the best investment you can make, and we want to help you get started on the right foot. This is our way of saying thank you for trusting us as your guide. So let's begin. In the following sections, we will explore the fundamentals of both AI and cryptocurrency. We'll look at how they are coming together to create new opportunities and solve old problems. We will discuss the incredible benefits, but we won't shy away from the risks and challenges you need to be aware of. Our goal is to give you a balanced, honest, and clear picture of this new frontier. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to build upon and a better sense of how you can participate in the future of finance. Let's get started on this exciting exploration together. Let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence? Forget the science fiction movies with sentient robots. In the real world, AI is much simpler and more practical. Think of it as creating computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Essentially, we are teaching machines to think and learn in a way that mimics the human brain, but on a much larger and faster scale. It's not about creating a conscious being, it's about creating a very smart tool. There are different types of AI, but the one you hear about most often is machine learning. This is a core part of modern AI. Machine learning is the process where we give a computer a huge amount of data and let it learn for itself. Instead of programming it with specific instructions for every single task, we allow it to identify patterns and make predictions based on the data it analyzes. For example, your email's spam filter is a simple form of machine learning. It has learned from millions of emails what spam looks like, and it automatically filters it out for you without being told exactly what to look for in each new message. You already interact with AI every day, probably without even realizing it. When a streaming service recommends a movie you might like, that's AI at work. It has analyzed your viewing history and compared it to millions of other users to make an educated guess. When you use a navigation app to find the fastest route, AI is analyzing real-time traffic data to guide you. From voice assistants on your phone to fraud detection alerts from your bank, AI is quietly working in the background to make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. It's a powerful assistant that helps us process information and make better choices. The key takeaway is that AI is a tool for pattern recognition and prediction. It excels at sifting through massive data sets that would be impossible for a human to analyze. By finding hidden correlations and trends, AI can automate complex tasks, provide valuable insights, and help us solve problems in new and innovative ways. It is this ability to process vast amounts of information and learn from it that makes AI so transformative, especially when we apply it to complex fields like finance and cryptocurrency, which we will explore next. It's not magic, it's just very advanced math and data processing. Now let's turn our attention to the other half of our topic, cryptocurrency. At its heart, a cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual money. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or the euro, which are issued and controlled by governments and central banks, cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized. This means they aren't controlled by any single entity. Instead, they operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a distributed public ledger that records all transactions. Think of it as a shared digital checkbook that everyone can see, but no one can alter. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. But today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies often referred to as altcoins. Each one has its own unique features and purposes. Some, like Bitcoin, aim to be a store of value, like digital gold. Others are designed to power specific applications or networks, acting more like digital tokens that grant access to a service. The importance of this technology lies in its potential to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system for everyone, everywhere in the world. So why is this decentralization so important? It offers several key advantages over the traditional financial system. For one, it can make transactions faster and cheaper, especially across international borders, by cutting out the middlemen like banks. It also provides greater financial inclusion for people who may not have access to traditional banking services. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to participate. Most importantly, because you control your own crypto with a private key, it gives you true ownership over your assets. No bank or government can freeze your account or seize your funds without your consent. Of course, this new world of digital money also comes with its own set of challenges. The prices of cryptocurrencies can be very volatile, meaning their value can swing up and down dramatically in a short amount of time. The space has also attracted its share of scams and hacks, making security a top concern for anyone involved. This is precisely why the combination of crypto with artificial intelligence is so promising. AI offers the tools we need to manage the volatility, enhance security, and make the entire experience safer and more user-friendly for everyday people, bridging the gap between this powerful technology and its mainstream adoption. Now that we understand the basics of AI and cryptocurrency individually, let's explore how they can work together. Think of cryptocurrency and its blockchain as a new, secure, and transparent financial infrastructure. Now think of AI as the intelligence layer that runs on top of that infrastructure, making it smarter, more efficient, and easier to use. AI can analyze the vast amounts of data generated by blockchain networks to provide insights and automate processes in ways that were previously impossible. This partnership is creating a new frontier in what is often called DeFi, or decentralized finance. A simple example is in the world of crypto trading. The crypto markets are open 24/7 and are notoriously volatile. It's impossible for a human trader to monitor all the market movements and news developments across thousands of different digital assets all at once. This is where AI excels. AI-powered trading bots can be programmed to analyze market data, social media sentiment, and news headlines in real time. Based on this analysis, they can execute trades automatically according to a predefined strategy, helping investors capitalize on opportunities or protect their assets from sudden downturns without being glued to a screen. Another powerful application is in creating what are known as smart contracts. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They run on the blockchain, meaning they are transparent and can't be changed. AI can make these smart contracts even smarter. For example, an AI could be used to verify that the conditions of a contract have been met in the real world, like confirming a package has been delivered before automatically releasing a payment. This adds a layer of intelligence and automation that makes decentralized agreements more powerful and applicable to complex, real-world scenarios. Ultimately, the synergy between AI and crypto is about bringing intelligence to a decentralized world. The blockchain provides a secure and unchangeable record of transactions and data. AI provides the ability to analyze that data, learn from it, and take intelligent actions. This combination can lead to more personalized financial services, more efficient markets, and automated systems that are both trustworthy and smart. As these two technologies continue to develop alongside each other, we are likely to see even more innovative applications that could fundamentally change how we interact with money and manage our digital lives. One of the biggest hurdles for new people entering the world of cryptocurrency is honestly the concern over security. We've all heard stories of hacks, scams, and lost funds. This is where artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role as a digital guardian, working tirelessly to make the crypto ecosystem a safer place for everyone. AI systems are uniquely equipped to handle the immense task of monitoring blockchain networks for suspicious activity. They can analyze millions of transactions in real time, looking for patterns that might indicate fraudulent behavior, something no team of human analysts could ever hope to accomplish on their own. For example, AI algorithms can be trained to identify patterns associated with money laundering. These activities often involve breaking up large sums of money into smaller amounts and moving them through a complex web of different wallets to obscure their origin. An AI can detect these intricate patterns across the entire blockchain, flag the suspicious wallets, and alert exchanges or authorities. This not only helps in combating illicit activities but also enhances the overall integrity and trustworthiness of the crypto space, which is, essential for its long-term growth and mainstream acceptance. AI also plays a vital role in protecting individual users on crypto exchanges and in digital wallets. Have you ever received a fraud alert from your credit card company? That's AI at work, noticing a transaction that doesn't fit your usual spending pattern. The same principle is being applied to crypto. AI systems can learn your typical transaction behavior, the amounts you send, the addresses you interact with, the times you are active. If a transaction suddenly occurs that deviates significantly from your normal pattern, like a large withdrawal to an unknown address in the middle of the night, the system can automatically flag it and require additional verification, preventing a potential theft. Furthermore, AI is being used to proactively identify and combat phishing scams and fraudulent websites. These scams often try to trick users into giving away their private keys or login credentials. AI-powered tools can scan the internet, social media, and messaging apps to detect new scam websites and malicious links as soon as they appear. By identifying the language patterns, code structures, and other characteristics common to these scams, AI can warn users before they fall victim. This proactive defense system acts as a constant watchdog, making it much harder for bad actors to prey on newcomers in the crypto space. The integration of artificial intelligence into cryptocurrency brings a host of powerful benefits that go far beyond just security. One of the most significant advantages is the potential for enhanced decision-making for investors of all levels. The crypto market is flooded with data, from price charts and trading volumes to news articles and social media chatter. AI algorithms can process all of this unstructured information and transform it into clear, actionable insights. This is often called sentiment analysis, where an AI gauges the overall mood of the market, whether it's fearful, greedy, or neutral, to help predict potential price movements. This leads to a more personalized and accessible user experience, which is crucial for bringing more people into the digital economy. Imagine a financial advisor that is available 24/7, understands your personal risk tolerance, and can guide you through the complexities of crypto investing. AI-powered robo-advisors are making this a reality. They can help newcomers build a diversified portfolio, suggest strategies based on their financial goals, and provide educational content tailored to their knowledge level. This removes much of the intimidation factor and empowers individuals to take control of their financial future with confidence. Efficiency and automation are another major benefit. In the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, many processes like lending, borrowing, and earning interest are handled by smart contracts. AI can optimize these processes to make them even more efficient. For instance, AI can analyze lending platforms to find the best possible interest rates for a user at any given moment, and even automatically move their funds to capture the highest yield. This process, known as yield farming, can be incredibly complex to manage manually, but AI can automate it, maximizing returns while minimizing the effort required from the user. Finally, AI is helping to drive innovation and create entirely new financial products and services. By analyzing blockchain data, developers can better understand user needs and identify gaps in the market. This could lead to the creation of new types of decentralized insurance products that automatically pay out based on verifiable data, or more sophisticated prediction markets that can forecast real-world events with greater accuracy. By providing the tools to build smarter and more responsive decentralized applications, AI is not just improving the existing crypto landscape, it is actively helping to build the next generation of finance. While the combination of AI and cryptocurrency holds immense promise, it's essential to approach it with a clear understanding of the potential risks and challenges. Nothing in finance is without its downsides, and this powerful duo is no exception. One primary concern is the risk of over-reliance on automated systems. If an AI trading bot has a flaw in its code or misinterprets a piece of news, it could execute a series of disastrous trades in a matter of seconds. leading to significant financial losses. The old saying, garbage in, garbage out, applies here. If the AI is trained on flawed data, its decisions will be flawed as well. Another significant challenge is the potential for market manipulation. Sophisticated actors could use AI to their advantage in malicious ways. For example, they could deploy an army of AI-powered social media bots to spread false news or create artificial hype around a particular cryptocurrency. This could manipulate market sentiment and trick other AI trading systems and human investors into making poor decisions. This creates an arms race where good AI must constantly evolve to detect and counteract the bad AI, making the market a more complex and potentially volatile environment. There are also serious concerns around data privacy and centralization. AI systems, especially machine learning models, require vast amounts of data to be effective. In the process of providing this data to AI-driven financial platforms, users might inadvertently give up more personal information than they are comfortable with. Furthermore, if a few large companies develop the most powerful AI models, it could lead to a new form of centralization. Instead of being controlled by banks, the financial system could become dependent on a handful of tech giants who own the dominant AI, which runs counter to the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency. Finally, the regulatory landscape is still catching up to this rapid technological advancement. Governments and financial regulators around the world are struggling to understand how to oversee AI-driven financial systems and decentralized networks. This lack of clear rules creates uncertainty for both investors and developers. Questions about accountability, who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake, are still being debated. Navigating this uncertain regulatory environment is a major challenge that will need to be addressed for the long-term stability and mainstream adoption of these integrated technologies. Being aware of these risks is the first step to mitigating them. Feeling inspired to explore the world of AI and crypto, but not sure where to begin? The most important first step is to focus on education. Don't rush into investing your money. Instead, invest your time in learning the fundamentals. Read reliable books, follow reputable news sources, and listen to educational podcasts about both blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. Understand basic concepts like what a private key is, the difference between a hot and cold wallet, and the meaning of market capitalization. A solid foundation of knowledge is your best defense against costly mistakes and the best tool for identifying real opportunities. Once you have a grasp of the basics, you can start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Consider buying a small amount of a well-established cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, through a reputable, user-friendly exchange. The goal here is not to get rich overnight, but to gain hands-on experience with the process. Learn how to securely buy, sell, and store your digital assets. This practical experience is invaluable and will make the concepts you've been reading about much more concrete. Remember the golden rule of investing: never invest more than you are willing to lose, especially in a volatile market like crypto. When it comes to using AI-powered tools, start with those that are designed to help you learn and stay safe. You don't need to jump straight into complex AI trading bots. Instead, look for platforms that use AI to provide market analysis, news sentiment, or portfolio tracking. Many exchanges are now integrating AI-driven security features like fraud detection and login alerts. By choosing platforms that prioritize these user-friendly AI applications, you can benefit from the technology's protective features without taking on the risks associated with more advanced automated trading strategies. Always do your research on any platform or tool before you use it. Finally, engage with the community, but do so with a healthy dose of skepticism. There are many online forums, social media groups, and communities dedicated to crypto and AI. These can be great places to learn and ask questions. However, they can also be filled with misinformation and people promoting scams. Learn to distinguish between genuine educational content and pure hype. Always verify information from multiple trusted sources before acting on it. Your journey into this space is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be curious, and prioritize learning and security above all else. We have journeyed through the exciting intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, two of the most transformative technologies of our generation. We've demystified what they are, explored how they work in partnership, and weighed their profound benefits against their inherent risks. From AI acting as a digital guardian to make crypto safer, to its role in providing sophisticated market insights for everyday investors, it's clear that this combination is paving the way for a smarter, more accessible, and more efficient financial future. The change is not coming, it is already here, and understanding it is the first step toward participating in it. The key takeaway is that you don't have to be a tech genius or a Wall Street trader to benefit from these advancements. These tools are being designed to empower individuals like you. They offer a chance to engage with your finances in a more direct and knowledgeable way. By automating complex tasks, enhancing security, and providing personalized guidance, the fusion of AI and crypto is lowering the barrier to entry. It presents an opportunity to be part of a new financial system being built from the ground up, one that promises to be more transparent, inclusive, and user-centric than the traditional systems of the past. The road ahead is filled with incredible potential, but it will also be a path of continuous learning and adaptation. The technologies will evolve, new applications will emerge, and the regulatory landscape will shift. Staying informed will be your most valuable asset. That is why we are committed to being your trusted guide on this journey, breaking down complex developments into clear, understandable insights that you can use to make confident decisions for your financial well-being. We believe that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to shaping your own future. Don't let this be the end of your learning journey. Let it be the beginning. Subscribe to our newsletter today to continue receiving expert analysis, practical guides, and the latest news on AI and digital finance. And don't forget, as our welcome gift, you will receive your free digital copy of Crypto for Beginners, Your First 5 Steps to Digital Assets. This ebook is the perfect next step to put what you've learned into practice safely. Join our community, claim your gift, and let's navigate the future of money together. The power to shape your financial destiny is more accessible than ever before.